Did you know the VA actually has different guidelines for how they treat student loan debt? Let's break down what they really look at and how you can still qualify. Student loans can feel like a giant roadblock when you're trying to buy a home. But for veterans using a VA loan, there's good news. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, Air Force veteran and VA mortgage specialist. And today, we're talking about why student loans matter for your approval, what the VA really looks at, and smart ways to qualify even with big balances. So let's get into it. Why student loan debt impacts VA loan approval. What is the issue here? Student loan debt affects your debt to income ratio, or DTI as we call it. That's a key number in determining how much house you can afford. But here's the catch. The VA doesn't always count your full student loan payment, or even any payment at all. The problem is many lenders interpret VA guidelines the wrong way. They either use conventional rules instead of VA rules. Tons of underwriters do that. Or they count a 1% payment that's not required. They ignore deferment or income-based repayment plan documentation that can lead to unnecessary denials. So how the VA treats student loan debt. Let's clear this up. Here's how the VA wants lenders to handle student loans. If your loan is deferred for 12 plus months from your closing date, the VA says you can exclude it entirely. If you're on an income-based repayment plan, lenders can use the actual monthly payment even if it's zero. If no payment is listed, some lenders default to 5% of the balance divided by 12, but that's often unnecessary. The bottom line, if you document your deferment or income-based repayment plan correctly, you may qualify more easily than you think. A lot of veterans are shocked when we tell them this. They assume $50,000 or $100,000 in student loan debt is a deal breaker, and a lot of times they don't even apply. But with the right paperwork and the right lender, it's not a problem. I've helped veterans qualify with balances that seemed impossible. The key is knowing how to present the numbers. One of my clients had over $80,000 in student loan debt. Another lender denied them based on the 1% rule. We used their income-based repayment documentation, showed a $75 payment, and got full approval, zero issues. So here are some strategies to qualify even with student loans. If student loans are part of the financial picture, here's how you can still get that loan approved. Number one, use an experienced VA lender. This is the number one tip. Many lenders don't fully understand VA guidelines around student loan debt. Document deferment or income-based repayment properly. If your loan is deferred 12 plus months after your closing, your income-based repayment payment is low, show it with clear paperwork. Reduce other debts if needed. Pay down car loans, pay down credit cards, improve your overall debt to income ratio, maybe add a co-borrower, consider manual underwriting. A spouse or partner with income can help offset your DTI even if they have student loans. Remember, it's not about your loan balance, it's about the monthly impact of that loan. So if you're worried about student loans and how they might stop you from getting a VA loan, let's take a look and a deeper dive. We'll review your deferment or your repayment plan. I'll walk you through the math and help you get approved the smart way. Book a call with me. Head to the link below in the description or visit valoanguy.us. You serve your country. Don't let student loans stand in the way. Let's unlock the home you've earned.